International Asteroid Day is an annual global event which is held on the anniversary of the Siberian Tunguska event that took place on June 30, 1908. The most harmful known asteroid-related event on Earth in recent history. The United Nations has proclaimed it be observed globally on June 30th every year in its resolution. Asteroid Day aims to raise awareness about asteroids and what can be done to protect the Earth, its families, communities, and future generations from a catastrophic event. An asteroid, also called a minor planet or planetoid, is any of a host of small bodies, about 1,000 kilometers or less in diameter, that orbit the Sun primarily between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter in a nearly flat ring called the asteroid belt. It is because of their small size and large numbers relative to the major planets that asteroids are also called minor planets. We are providing you with a brief introduction of 10 significant asteroids in alphabetical order. 1. Ceres. Ceres, dwarf planet, the largest asteroid in the main asteroid belt, and the first asteroid to be discovered. Ceres was found, serendipitously, by the Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi of the Palermo Observatory on January 1, 1801. Ceres was named after the ancient Roman grain goddess and the patron goddess of Sicily. 2. Earth-crossing asteroids. Earth-crossing asteroid, asteroid whose path around the Sun crosses Earth's orbit. 2 groups of such asteroids, Aten and Apollo asteroids, are distinguished by the size of their orbits and how closely they approach the Sun. The Atens and Apollos cross Earth's orbit on an almost continuous basis. 3. Eros. Eros, first asteroid found to travel mainly inside the orbit of Mars and the first to be orbited and landed on by a spacecraft. Eros was discovered on August 13, 1898, by German astronomer Gustav Witt at the Urania Observatory in Berlin. It is named for the god of love in Greek mythology. 4. Geographos. Geographos, an Apollo asteroid, one that passes inside Earth's orbit. Geographos was discovered on September 14, 1951, by American astronomers Albert Wilson and Rudolf Minkowski at the Palomar Observatory. 5. Hathor. Hathor, asteroid in ancient Egyptian religion, goddess of the sky, of women, and of fertility and love. Hathor's worship originated in early dynastic times. The name Hathor means estate of Horus and may not be her original name. Her principal animal form was that of a cow, and she was strongly associated with motherhood. 6. Hermes. Hermes, binary asteroid whose eccentric orbit takes it near Earth. It was discovered on October 28, 1937, by German astronomer Carl Wilhelm Reinmuth when it approached within about 742,000 kilometers of Earth, about twice the distance of the Moon. Because of its fast motion across the sky, it was named Hermes. 7. Icarus. Icarus, an Apollo asteroid. It was discovered on June 27, 1949, by German-born American astronomer Walter Baade of the Hale Observatories, California. At the time of its discovery, Icarus had a more eccentric orbit than any other known body in the solar system except for some comets. 8. Pallas. Pallas, third largest asteroid in the asteroid belt and the second such object to be discovered, by the German astronomer and physician Wilhelm Olbers on March 28, 1802. following the discovery of Ceres the year before. It is named after Pallas Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom. 9 Trojan asteroids. Trojan asteroid, also called Trojan planet, any one of a number of asteroids that occupy a stable Lagrangian point in a planet's orbit around the Sun. In 1772, the French mathematician and astronomer Joseph-Louis Lagrange predicted the existence and location of 2 groups of small bodies located near a pair of gravitationally stable points along Jupiter's orbit. Point 10 Vesta. Vesta, second largest and the brightest asteroid of the asteroid belt and the 4th such object to be discovered, by the German astronomer and physician Wilhelm Olbers on March 29, 1807. It is named for the ancient Roman goddess of the hearth. Even though asteroids are scheduled to make a close approach on June 29 and July 1, on the day itself, there will be no asteroid threats anywhere near Earth's atmosphere. So be happy and enjoy your journey on Earth. Until we find life on other planets.